Hey guys, check out this kitchen renovation recently finished in New Hampshire. These guys went all out with their inserts. Utensil pull-out next to the stove, lots of roll-out trays for things they use every day but don't want to store on their countertop. I love this 3-tiered system for their pots and pans so they can store the lids separately. That's genius. Under the sink, they have a huge rollout for all their cleaning supplies, trash bags, dishwasher pods. Everybody knows it's a catch-all, and it's a great way to organize it. On the other side, they've got even more rollouts to store their everyday dishware that they can access from the top, which is wonderful. 2-tiered cutlery drawers for knives and spoons, 2-tiered organizer for Ziplocs, aluminum foil, all that crazy stuff. Big deep drawer in the bottom for larger things they need to store. Another utensil pull-out. I love that. Another tiered drawer for snacks for their kids. They've got a big family, so this works great for them. This is my favorite part, a recycling and trash storage side by side. Oh, and you can't forget the charging drawer for all their electronics.